So here's another type of problem you might see in 7.4 when you're getting ready to do integration, the integration part of the problem. I have the integral of 1 over x plus 5 is in parentheses and squared, dx. So this is a u substitution. U will be x plus 5, and du will be dx. So this one becomes the integral of 1 over u squared du. I like to show this step. I know some of you are much more comfortable thinking about this than I am. I like to, okay, u to the minus 1. I like to see that step. That's just my personal preference. And then for the antiderivative, you add 1 to the negative 2, and then divide by the higher exponent, the negative 1. So this will be u to the minus 1 over negative 1 plus c. Sometimes these negatives can be a little confusing. I got the negative 1 in the bottom, which makes this term negative. The u to the minus 1 makes that 1 over u to the positive 1 plus c. There's the antiderivative, and I have to do what? Put the x back in. Negative 1 over x plus 5 plus c. So some of the problems you'll get an integral like that you have to figure out what it is. Another one that comes up, or a version of this that comes up, I'll write it in its most simplest form. The integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. What about that one? Raise your hand if you know what the antiderivative is. Yes, all right. That is inverse tangent of x. Inverse tangent of x plus c, that is it. So that's a formula that you're going to want to know. That's from last semester. And one other type of problem that might come up, the integral of x over 1 plus x squared dx. Look, the only difference between the problem I just wrote and the previous one is this next one has an x in the top. Is that inverse tangent? No. It is what? U substitution. This is U substitution. What I like to do is take that x that's in the top, and in fact I'm going to write 1 over 1 plus x squared, and the x in the top, write it x dx. U substitution, what is u? U equals 1 plus x squared, and du will be 2x dx. So if I divide both sides by 2, du over 2 is x dx. So when I do the u substitution, that's the integral of 1 over u du over 2. I'm going to take that 1/2 out. 1/2 times the integral of 1 over u du, and that integral of 1 over u du is natural log of u plus c. That will be 1/2 times the natural log of the absolute value of 1 plus x squared plus c. If you were to have this problem in the book and you look up the answer, they're probably not going to have the absolute value signs. It's okay to put them. I'd put them just to be safe. Why is it okay not to put them? That's right. It's impossible to get a negative number for 1 plus x squared. So because of that, they might not have put the absolute value signs in the back.